When we look for business growth, it has primarily three components or three ways. One is unit increase, that is increasing number of unit of the products, which we can say from market share improvement from the brand manager's point of view. Second way is that price increase, but price increase has its own limitations as you have to be competitive in the market, or one need to see that whether product is in the price control list or not. The third component or third way out to increasing business is the new product launch. In the last few years, the contribution from the new product is not a great growth stories, or you can say new product contribution has been on the reducing side as the new products are not making big in the market. Question comes, why our new products are not contributing much, or why our brand managers are not able to make them big brand? It's probably our Me Too mindset or a Me Too approach. So we are in the branded generic market where many brands of the same molecules are available in the market. In this process, our brand managers give up the brand building thinking and start thinking on the promotion of the brand. This way, we kill the brand well before it is born. The moment we skip our brand building thinking and move to promotion part, the story is almost half over. This led to against Me Too promotion plan like samples, literature, CME, some you can say launch gimmicks, etc. And once they fail, once these promotion plan fail, then we start blaming field force, and this is becoming routine affair for the different companies and the different new brand launches. What we need to do while launching new brand? See, we need to decide what differential our brand offer. What better it has than other options available before the customers, whether the same molecules or even competing molecule. Say suppose if we are launching Brevacetm, which companies are launching currently, the newer anti-epileptic. We can't say that it is my brand of or our brand of Brevacetm. We need to think what and how better and different it offer as compared to other brands or other product to the patient. If we can't offer anything better or anything different, then we have no right or no reason, you can say, to launch another Me Too brand just to clutter the market. And if we are able to successfully cross this checkpoint in the new product launching, then we have taken the first step in making the big brand. At the same time, if we fail at this stage, then we are all set to fail, or we can say that we are in the mercy of the field force or in the promotions or sales promotion tactics or strategies, which we are almost again Me Too. So when we think about what better or what different we are offering, we must think from the customer's point of view. This means from doctor point of view or from the patient point of view, certainly not from our point of view.